Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, let's see how to crochet this very beautiful scarf. This pattern is very interesting and I thoroughly enjoyed working the scarf. It's 11 inches wide and I made it about 65 inches long. Length can be adjusted as well as width. You can find the written pattern in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You can also purchase a PDF version from one of my shops. All links are provided in the description box below. I used a 4-ply yarn. I think this is equivalent to sport weight or category 2. You need about 550 to 575 meters of yarn depending on the length of your scarf, and I used a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot and work 38 chains. These chains are in multiples of 9 plus 2. I'm making 36 plus 2, 38 chains. Now let's start the first row. Work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then make 5 chains. Skip 2 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. Again make 5 chains. Skip 2 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this across. 5 chains. Skip 2 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. Row 2, make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now turn and work single crochet in the first chain 5 space. Chain 1, 7 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Now let's start the repeats. Make 5 chains. Single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 1, 7 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. Chain 1 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Repeat this across. Chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 1, 7 double crochets in the next chain 5 space, and then chain 1 and single crochet into the next space. After single crochet in the last space, make 2 chains and work a treble in the last single crochet. Yarn over twice, insert hook in the next single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Next is row 3, chain 1 and turn and work single crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 2, work double crochet into the next 3 double crochets. Into the next double crochet, work double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Then work double crochet into the next 3 double crochets. Then chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 2, double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. Double crochet, chain 3 double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. Chain 2, single crochet into the next chain 5 space. Then chain 2 and you'll work double crochet the next 3 double crochets. Repeat this across. You'll finish the row with single crochet in the last space. Next is row 4. Make 5 chains, turn, work double crochet 4 stitches together, yarn over the hook, insert hook in the next double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook, insert hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, insert hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, repeat it one more time. And now yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops on the hook. Then make 5 chains and work a 3 double crochet cluster stitch into the next chain 3 space. 5 chains, yarn over the hook, insert hook in the next space and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert hook in the same space and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert hook in the same space and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops except the last one, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is a cluster stitch. Then work 5 chains and then double crochet 4 stitches together. Chain 1 and then work double crochet 4 stitches together. Chain 5, 3 double crochet cluster in the next chain 3 space. Chain 5, double crochet 4 stitches together. Then chain 1. Repeat this across. After the last DC4 together, chain 1 and work a treble in the last single crochet. Next is row 5, chain 1 and turn single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 5, single crochet in the space after the next DC4 together. Repeat this across. Chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 5, single crochet in the space after the next DC4 together. Finish the row with single crochet in the last space. You'll repeat rows 2, 3, 4 and 5 as many times as you want. Now I'll repeat row 2, start with 6 chains, then turn and work single crochet in the first chain 5 space, and then chain 1 and work 7 double crochets into the next chain 5 space, after which you'll work 1 chain and then single crochet into the next space, and then you'll work 5 chains and single crochet into the next space. So repeat rows 2, 3, 4 and 5 as many times as you want. After completing your shawl, block it. This will open up all the stitches. You can see here the difference in the width between the two parts that has been pinned and that has not been. You can find a return pattern in my blog, thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. You can also purchase a PDF version from one of my shops. All links are provided in the description box. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.